there was one video that went viral that had left everybody shocked. The visual of the Chief Minister of Bihar yanking and pulling the veil of a young Ayush doctor. There was fair amount of backlash, political and otherwise, asking the Bihar Chief Minister to apologize, because clearly there could have only been two reasons. One, that the Bihar Chief Minister was really unwell. Why would you do something like this? And the other, that this was intentional, and if it was intentional, then this requires an apology. And if this was because of health reasons, then is Nitish Kumar really fit to be the Chief Minister of Bihar? Take a look at the latest.
A public stage, a private boundary violated. The images are stark and unsettling. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar reaching out and pulling a woman's hijab. A moment that raises question on power, patriarchy, and the limits of authority. PDP leader Iltija Mufti has sought registration of an FIR against the Bihar Chief Minister, warning that such actions legitimize everyday harassment.
We are appealing to the police here, to Jammu and Kashmir police, to take strict cognizance and action against the Bihar Chief Minister, because we've seen how after this incident happened, there are lumpen elements all across India who are engaging in such indecent, vile acts. And not just that, you have union ministers, BJP ministers who occupy positions of power, justifying this vile act of indecency.
But instead of remorse or restraint, the defense turned combative. Union Minister Giriraj Singh stepped in, offering not an apology but a justification that many say reeks of entitlement.
नीतीश कुमार जी ने एक गार्जियन की हैसियत से आप पासपोर्ट लेने जाती हो तो दिखाती हो कि नहीं, आप एयरपोर्ट पर जाते हैं तो दिखाते हैं कि नहीं। पाकिस्तान और इंग्लिस्तान की बात करते हैं। ये भारत है, भारत में कानून का राज चलेगा। नीतीश कुमार ने सही किया।
लड़की कह रहा है कि अब नौकरी रिफ्यूज कर दी उसने कि वो
रिफ्यूज करे या जहन्नुम में जाए।
Opposition leaders say this is no longer just about one act, but about a mindset that treats women's autonomy as negotiable.
तो जहन्नुम तो आप पैदा कर दिए, जाने की क्या है जहन्नुम में? मुझे ये समझाइए, एक औरत अपने काम के लिए जा रही है और वो कह रहे शक्ल नहीं दिखाने से आप जहन्नुम जाओ, तो फिर इलेक्शन कमीशन क्यों हमारी इज्जत रखने के लिए क्यों में जो लोग हैं वो वीडियो निकाल दे रहे हैं? वो क्यों निकाल रहे हैं? नहीं, हिपोक्रेट नॉनसेंस बोलते हैं ये लोग।
Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah called out what he described as blatant political hypocrisy.
बीजेपी से तो आप यही उम्मीद करोगे ना, अगर ये हरियाणा या राजस्थान में किसी हिंदू औरत की घूंघट होती और मैंने उतारा होता, क्या बीजेपी वाले यही कहते हैं? जरा एक सेकंड के लिए आप सोचिए, अगर किसी मुसलमान लीडर ने किसी हिंदू औरत का घूंघट उतारा होता तो कितना बवाल मचता। क्योंकि ये डॉक्टर मुसलमान थी तो इसलिए बीजेपी का रिएक्शन जो है अलग है।
From parliament to public platforms, the anger is unmistakable. The message growing louder by the hour. Authority is not ownership, and power does not come with the right to humiliate. With a police complaint now filed and no apology from the top, the controversy has become a defining test. Not just of one chief minister, but of how those in power respond when dignity is stripped away in plain sight. Bureau Report, India Today.